All right, we're back here, everyone. We are recording for help with IXL AA.2. All right, so this was stuff you guys have actually seen this from earlier in the year, as in, I don't know, maybe about a week or so ago. We did see a quiz on it. You probably have that in your math binder here. So let's see what you remember. We do have our two assistants here today. Here, once again, Matthew, say hello, everyone.
Hello! How are you doing, everyone? It's nice to see you again.
You really can't see them. They can hear you, but they can't
Nice
see
to
you.
hear you again.
Well, no, you can't hear them.
I know.
Okay, all right. Ella, would you like to say hello to everyone?
Hello. I love you.
Oh, wow. All right. Sending love from Ella. Okay, so what we want to keep in mind here is we want numbers that are greater than 5. So we're going to go to 5, all right? And what we want to keep in mind is we're going to have two different symbols there. We're going to have that open circle or that shaded in circle.
I know two numbers.
Okay. Well, okay, give me someone who's greater than 5.
6 and 7.
They are. So that tells us that we're going to be shading that particular direction. The big question we've got to remember here is, do we want the open circle or do we want the shaded in circle? So keep in mind the open circle means that you're not going to use it there. The shaded in circle means you are going to use it. So use it. All right. Not using it. So what we want to keep in mind is if we see a greater than symbol or a less than symbol, then we use the open circle that's there. You got it, Matthew?
I practiced greater than.
And the less than symbol? Okay. And so then it's shaded in if we're greater than or equal to, or then less than or equal to. So Matthew, when we look at the board here, we look at this question of this x is greater than 5, are we going to use the open circle or the shaded circle?
The shaded circle?
No, we're not going to use the shaded circle. Let's look at y here because it's just greater than symbol. See how it looks like this guy? Yeah, so because it looks like this guy over here, we're just going to open. Yeah, I know. So we're going to use the open circle and then we're going to submit it. And there it is. It's wonderful. All right, so the next one is x is greater than 8, so we know. Wait. Sorry. Yeah, I actually said greater than, Ella. So this is actually a less than. So Ella, can you tell me a number that is less than 8? A number that's less than 8.
7.
7 is. So that's correct. So we are going to shade to the left there. Once again, we have to decide, are we going to use an open circle or a shaded in circle? Since it's just a less than symbol like before, we're going to use that open circle and we are ready to go. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. Let's see, let's kind of jump up a level and get to another type of problem here. They're just going to kind of get, I know, big number there, huh? What number is it? 1,000, yes. So we want numbers that are greater than or equal to 1,000. So our numbers no, more than 2. More than 2. They're not counting by 2s. They're counting by 2.
100.
Right. So where are numbers that are bigger than 1,000, Matthew? Are they to the right or are they to the left on a number line? Numbers that are bigger, do they go to the right or do they go to the left? They do. So we know we're shading this way. It is an or equal to, so we are shaded in. So we're going to submit that, and there we go. So again, keep in mind your symbols. Is it a less than symbol? Is it a greater than symbol? We're going to use that open one there. If it's the or equal to's, we're going to shade it on in. And then when in doubt, people, just remember about the alligator eats the larger number. All right, everyone. Matthew, Ellen, go and say goodbye.
See you next. I love you.